Hello all. Just a quick check-in. Let you know I'm still alive. I still plan on making some videos here in the near future. Right now I'm doing the trail camera thing. I lost service on my one cell cam for some reason on the tree that I had it. So I had to come out and move it like probably 10 feet on the other tree, and I got my service back. So I don't know what that was about, but hey, turkey tracks. That's a good sign. Can't wait till spring turkey. But I'm out here doing the camera thing and enjoying a nice day. But I do have some videos coming up, so hang tight.